introduction. Okay, so the form of the song, we have the introduction, and then we have the verse 2 times, and then we have the bridge, verse, bridge, verse, and finally it takes us to the outro. Okay, so here's the outro. 2, ready, and... Okay, and that's the whole tune. Now, the Beatles originally recorded this in F. I play it instrumental version in G. It's a little bit easier. I get to use a lot of open strings rather than in the key of F. Okay, a little bit easier the key of G. If I was going to sing this, maybe I would do it in the key of F. Check out SuzukiGuitar.org or stream my music at Gregarious Grooves Trio. That's Gregarious, Gregarious Grooves Trio, or Gregory Guay Classical Guitar. Thanks for checking it out. Bye.